I'm Kimidran de los Santos, base IT3E. Vision: a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are the catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission: University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible Europeans through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. And the core values are uprightness, excellence, and passion. And my instructor in Net 101 is Michael Philip Awanan. In Net 101, I learned the fundamental concepts of networking and how devices communicate in a system. I gained hands-on knowledge in using RG45 cables, proper writing standards such as T568A and T568B, crimping, and test connections. I also studied network devices like switches, routers, and hubs and understood their roles in establishing reliable connections. The lessons covered IP addressing protocols and troubleshooting using basic commands. Learning this skill helped me realize the importance of both theoretical knowledge and practical application. Overall, Net 101 provided me with a strong foundation in networking that will be useful for future studies and real life applications.